Today I'm about to show you something that's going to blow your mind. Claude 3.7 Sonnet has just mastered turning any TradingView indicator into a profit machine, and the results are absolutely insane. I'm talking over 1,600% profit and win ratios close to 80%. Honestly, the information I'm about to share should not be free. What you're about to learn is easily worth thousands of dollars. Imagine taking your favorite indicator on TradingView and transforming it into a fully automated Pine script strategy with just a few prompts. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the exact step-by-step process for creating two incredibly profitable strategies, one for the 4-hour time frame for swing traders and a lightning-fast 1-minute scalping strategy for those who want more action. Alright, let's kick things off by opening up our TradingView charts. I've selected the Solana price chart as an example, however these strategies work on other assets too. Next, I'm heading straight to the search bar to find the indicator for the first strategy, Market Structure with Inducements and Sweeps by LuxAlgo. Select this tool right here. Before we proceed to building the strategy, let's quickly learn how this smart indicator works. At its core, the tool identifies change of character and break of structure events to signal potential trend reversals and continuations. CHOCH is detected when the price breaks a previous swing low in an uptrend or a swing high in a downtrend, suggesting a possible shift in market direction. Conversely, BOS is recognized when the price surpasses a prior swing high during an uptrend or a swing low during a downtrend, indicating the persistence of the current trend. To enhance the accuracy of these signals, the indicator incorporates the concept of inducements. Inducements refer to market movements designed to entice traders into positions, often leading to premature entries or exits. By identifying these inducements, the indicator helps traders recognize and avoid potential fakeouts, ensuring that CHOCH and BOS signals are supported by genuine market intent. In this framework, the presence of an inducement between market structure events is a prerequisite, filtering out misleading signals and refining the analysis. Another critical feature is the detection of liquidity sweeps. Liquidity sweeps occur when the market targets areas of high liquidity, such as previous highs or lows, often resulting in sharp price movements. The indicator monitors trailing maximum and minimum values to identify these sweeps, marking them on the chart to highlight potential reversal zones or areas of significant interest. Now, once we understand the key features of this indicator, let's proceed to building a profitable strategy around it. To do this, let's open up Claude 3.7 Sonnet. This AI is seriously mind-blowing for what we're about to do. It's like having a professional quant programmer at your fingertips. Next step, let's open the Pine editor and grab that indicator script. This is where most people would stop. They'd just use the indicator as it is. But we're about to take this to a whole new level. Watch this. I'm pasting the entire script into Claude and asking it to analyze this indicator and create a highly profitable swing trading strategy based on its features. I'm essentially asking an AI to understand complex market structure concepts and turn them into an automated system. Look at Claude Go. It's breaking down the indicator components and suggesting a complete strategy with the most advantageous conditions for buying and selling. This powerful strategy is based on the concept of tracking smart money and trading like big institutions. Now I'm asking it to transform this strategy into Pine script code with stop loss and take profit levels based on the average true range. For this strategy, I'm using 2 ATR values for stop loss and 3 ATR for take profit. In other words, 1 to 1.5 times the risk. I'm also asking it to incorporate signal filters into the strategy, such as RSI, volume, etc. Within seconds, it writes a complex 300-line code with precise entry conditions, money management, and customization options to further enhance the strategy's performance. Now I'm copying this custom code, going back to TradingView and opening a new strategy Pine script, clearing out the default code, and pasting in our new algorithm. This is literally thousands of dollars worth of professional strategy development happening in minutes. Let's add the strategy to the chart and see what we've got. Looks like we've got a small error there. No problem, that's part of the process. I'll just ask Claude to fix this issue. It immediately fixes the problem and gives me an updated script. If the issue persists, keep addressing it until no errors pop up. Now the strategy is running beautifully. Let's check out the performance stats. Look at that win rate. It's 73% on default settings, which can easily be optimized to achieve 80 or even 90% accuracy. The total profit generated is over 570%, which is insane. I'll be dropping the link to this exact strategy in the description below so you can apply it to your own trading. Just add it to your favorites and you're good to go. However, if you want to fully automate this strategy into a bot that will be taking trades 24/7, here's how to do it in a few simple steps. First, open the strategy's properties and set your account balance and desired position size based on your risk tolerance. Create a free 3 commas account. I'll leave a link in the description. Head over to my portfolio and connect your crypto exchange or wallet. Once the account is connected, go to Signal Bot and select the TradingView strategy. Copy this webhook URL, return to TradingView, create an alert for your strategy, and paste the copied link here. Proceed to the next step, which is to choose your exchange, trading pair, and the investment amount for the bot to trade with. The final step is to copy this webhook message and paste it into this window. Once you're done, click on Create Alert and activate your bot on 3 commas. That's it. Now you can sit back and watch your portfolio grow. But don't click away just yet. If you think this 4-hour strategy is impressive, wait until you see the scalping strategy I've developed. I'm talking about a 1-minute time frame beast that's so accurate it's almost unfair. That's coming up next, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. To start with, I'm heading back to the indicator search and looking for high-low cloud trend by Chart Prime. This indicator is absolutely perfect for what we're about to create. At its foundation, it calculates the highest high and lowest low, plotting these as dynamic bands on the chart. This approach allows you to observe the range within which the price has been oscillating, offering insights into market volatility and potential breakout zones. A notable feature of the high-low cloud trend indicator is its emphasis on mean reversion points. When the price enters these dynamically plotted clouds, it often signals a potential reversal in trend direction. This visual cue assists you in anticipating possible turning points, allowing for strategic entry or exit decisions. These signals are exactly what we need in our custom strategy. So let's open Claude again, our secret weapon for this transformation. Having this AI in your trading arsenal is like having an unfair advantage. I'm jumping into the Pine editor again to grab the indicator source code. I'm pasting the entire indicator script into Claude and asking it to analyze this cloud trend indicator specifically for scalping purposes. I'm requesting a highly profitable scalping strategy that captures those quick market moves precisely when the odds are in our favor. Look at how detailed Claude's analysis is. It's identifying the perfect entry and exit conditions based on the cloud formations and price action patterns that most traders would miss. Now I'm asking Claude to transform this analysis into ready-to-use Pine script code with dynamic stop loss and take profit levels using ATR. This ensures our risk management automatically adapts to current market volatility. This right here is the difference between amateur and professional trading. Perfect. Let's copy this code, open a fresh strategy script, wipe the default code, and paste in our custom scalping algorithm. It looks like the strategy isn't executing trades as expected. No worries. This is actually normal during development. I'll ask Claude to troubleshoot and fix the issue. What truly blows my mind is how good this AI is at coding in general. It definitely beats ChatGPT. Okay, we've got the modified code. Let's implement these changes. Now the strategy is firing on all cylinders. Let me dial in these specific settings to maximize our winning ratio. We're looking for that sweet spot between trade frequency and accuracy. With each adjustment, you can see the performance metrics improving. What's crazy is that Claude implemented multiple signal types to choose from, and the signal filters like RSI, volume, and even MACD. Check out these performance stats. The win rate is incredible, and the profit curve is beautifully consistent. This isn't some curve-fitted nonsense. This is a robust strategy that understands market structure. By the way, this strategy is perfect for 5-minute scalping too. I'll drop the link to this script in the video description too. Just add it to your favorites, apply it to the chart, and tweak the settings the way I did. And there you have it. 2 professional-grade trading strategies created in minutes that would normally cost thousands to develop. I can't believe I'm giving this away for free, but if you found value in this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more trading breakthroughs. Drop a comment if you have questions about implementing these strategies in your own trading. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video.